Crazy Cuties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex from New York. I'm a filter-free ME who loves to play with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back to today's video. This is a Magical Sisters beauty collab that I host every bi-weekly on Thursdays. And along with my besties slash my other magical sisters, Mountain Witch Christine and Leah Nails, I'm very excited for today. I don't know why, but I am. I'm very am. And today's challenge is doing something with green. And you know it's March, so we know it's green month, I guess you can call it. But yes, expect a lot of greens this month. So I love playing with greens when I have a chance to, and it's a lot of fun. So, don't know why is this pencil this way, but I already did my eyebrows, of course. All the products in this video will be down below. I will have certain links if you want to check them out. If you can find, you know, anything that does help the channel out if you want to. If you don't want to, it's okay. It'll be good. So, we're gonna use milk. Because help it with I love playing with greens. Greens are actually my favorite colors to play with, very much so. So it's very exciting to play with green. Spring is coming. The temperature is becoming warm. I love spring because it just tells me weather is going to be nice. It's going to be temperature. It's not have to worry about wearing these. I can actually wear things that does not. But I'm going to play the Aurora Struck palette from Colourpop. This is like my favorite palette to play with. And they do have some greens in here. And I'm very excited about it. So I'm going to play with some gray tones with some greens, which interesting very much. So we're just going to go. Yeah, I'm just gonna go for it and just do like a with some grays in it. I'm using a fluffy brush. This is the Liveglam Judy Woods JW201. More of the crease so I can use this shade even better. I really like this shade already. Like I like this palette very much. I do want to get the Morphe one that's similar to this one. Yeah. Okay, see? There's a nice blend to it, and I do like that. So I'm gonna put it like just like that, and I'm just like ooh, in love with it. Yep, I like this. Yeah. This is such a beautiful shade. I like it has a little gold to it. There's a yellow in it. It has a little bit of yellow in it, which is fine. But like, make it all green, you know? Like a nice oh shoot. Hey, this brush is so weird. We're just gonna go like that a little bit underneath the eye. I really like this in a way, but I don't with this. So kind of weird. I'm going to blend that in. That's giving me a weird kind of like eye look, and I do like it, but there's something about it, I'm missing something. Such a weird thing if you think about it. Like, what am I missing? I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna actually use the concealer just to clean that up a little bit more. I was thinking about doing a cut crease, but I was like, yeah, no. I've got another idea for that. So I'm gonna brighten that up a little bit. I think like this will work just to brighten it up. I really do like the mascara from e.l.f. It's like really pretty. I think it's gonna be a weird look already, but it is what it is. Okay guys, I'll be right back with the finished look. Just the finished look. I really like how this look came out for this challenge. I'm so excited to what Matt and Rich Christine and Luminous Nails come up with for this challenge. I'm very excited. Of course, I'll have their channels down below so you can check them out. Of course, if you do like this video, hit the like button so I know you'll see more content like this and see more green looks like this, because I really do like it. I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone more and more with my looks, but we'll still see. Of course, you want to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We are drama free and judgment free here. We welcome everybody, and of course, make sure to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of any new videos that I upload. I do go live every Monday and Wednesdays at 12 p.m. and on Fridays at 9 p.m. along with my friend Christine, Sandwich Christine. And yes, so hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye!